To configure Arxivar is very easy. Use the Configuration Manager on the server side to access all the properties of Arxivar, which is completely configurable and adaptable to your needs. The first step after login is to define the units. With the units, we can separate different companies into corporate or business units. For each unit, we can also decide if we will save the information into the database or into the file system, according to our policies. After the definition of the units, we can set up the document types. These are the types of documents we're going to store into Arxivar. For each type, we will be able to define some properties. With the properties, we can automatically create a new reference number. Insert a document into a folder, set automatic notifications for the users, and many other options. Then, we can define document status. The status controls two main features. The first is the versioning. We can decide to review or overwrite a document when we store or edit it. Arxivar will keep track of any changes made in the documents. The second is the view authorization for each document status. Here, for example, all users can view a document in a valid status. In the same way, we can define, for example, a deleted status and set up one that only the administrator user is able to view the document in this status. We have just defined a logic deletion of the documents. So, if we put a document in a deleted status, it is automatically hidden for all users, but the administrator and the document still remains in the repository. After the document status, we will set up users and groups. Users can automatically capture from LDAP or an Active Directory server, and they can be grouped to achieve an easy document distribution management. But the heart of the document management configuration is the definition of the security policies over the document types. Here, we can define, for example, that the accounting group will access the accounting department documents. We can control the type of access for each user and group. In this case, they can view the document, archive, and edit it. They can edit the document profile and even delete it. For the human resources documents, we can decide, for example, that they can only view that document type. And since they should not see the contracts, we just need to unselect it. Thanks to the security settings, it's very easy to define who can access what. There are many other features. For example, you can set up an OCR service that is able to read and capture the content of the document saved in Arxivar to be able to perform a full-text search. You can also set up the fax service. Thanks to the integration with the best-known software, you can send and receive faxes directly within Arxivar. Arxivar internal fax server is also available.